Hello, this is a video tour of 187 Station Road. The property you can see is a mid-terrace property and does have 3 bedrooms. You enter the property via the foregarden, which you can see has got a wall to the front here, has got a hedge, and there are steps up leading to the property entrance. The foregarden, you'll note, so you do have space for your bins, and there is kind of a blue brick area, also a slated area, and then you do have, just accessing the property, an original style door here, which leads through into the property vestibule. Now, with the vestibule, you'll see that you do have the original style MINTON tile flooring, which does lead through into the entrance hall, where you do have a separate door there. Going into the hallway, you can see you've got lighting there, stairs that lead up to the first floor, and from here you've got doors into reception room 1 and into the open plan living space. Reception room 1 has got a bay window which overlooks the front of the property. In here you do have a decorative cove ceiling, a light point there with a ceiling rose, and also you do have an original style cast iron fireplace with a tiled hearth there. The flooring in here you can see is wooden, and just to show you the plan of the room. Now, in the corner by the bay window, you can see there is a cupboard which does house meters. I just want to show you the other side of the room. So the corner chimney breast is not as common in the local area, but it does really help the room feel cosy, particularly with the fire lit as well. Now, the second reception area is located at the back of the house. So you do have a step up into this room. This room has been extended, so you can see you do have the kitchen area to the rear. But just to show you the dining area, you've got the ceiling point there, light point over the dining table. You can notice there in the left corner you do have again another original style fireplace there with a hearth. On the right here you do have a door which takes you through into the ground floor WC. So you can see you've got the loo there with the radiator, and then you do have the corner wash hand basin, and the flooring is tiled. Now, to show you the kitchen area, you can see that the main focal point of the room is the island. In the island you do have the hand basin, which has got 1.5 bowl with the drainer unit, and you do have the mixer tap over there. In the island also you do have dishwasher, and then on this side you do have more cupboard space. Now, on the right hand side wall you can see you do have 2 feature skylights, and in the centre of the wall you do have the space for a range style cooker with a cooker hood over. On the left there you do have plumbing and space for tumble dryer and washing machine, and the boiler is located above that. There is also an integrated wine cooler with the wine rack either side, so it has been a really well thought out design. On the left you do have space for an American style fridge freezer with storage surrounding, and you do have additional work surface space just to the right of that. So just to show you the other side of the kitchen. Now, to the rear of the kitchen area, you can see that there is a living space. So the current owners have got an L-shaped sofa, and there is the feature column style radiator just on the right there. You do also have a sky lantern which is beautiful, and you do have the bifold doors which lead directly out into the garden. Just before we head outside, I'm sure you've noticed, but you do have the same wood style flooring which runs through the expanse of the room. Now the garden, you can see you have got a paved patio area here. You do have a step up where you do have kind of a bedding area on the right hand side, on the left as well. And then you do have a pathway which does lead through the garden where you've got lawn. At the rear you can see the current owners have got a trampoline, and to the rear of that you do also have a shed, and behind that there is additional storage space as well. Just to show you the garden. The first floor accommodation is accessed via the staircase directly from the entrance hall, and you do have the stairs leading to the landing area. Now the landing area is split level, so you can see you've got kind of landing space here. I'm going to show you the front of the house first, so just to show you around. Now you do have on the right hand side here a door to an overstairs storage cupboard, and then you have a small step down into bedroom 1. The owners have had put in sash style UPVC windows which overlook the front of the property. And just to show you the room. And just to show you the other side. Now bedroom 2 is at the rear. So you do have the window again, which is a sash style window. You can see these here are the skylights to the right hand side of the kitchen. In this room, the current owner has got bunk beds, and then you've got the light there. To show you around. Now bedroom 3 is at the very rear of the house. So in here you can see that the current owners have got a 3/4 double bed. You've got the windows at the back which overlook the rear garden, and there is space in here for a chest of drawers. Just to kind of pan round. And lastly, you do have the family bathroom. So the family bathroom, you can see, has got an obscured window on the side there. You have got lighting here. The walls in here are fully tiled around the suite. So you've got the low level flush WC, the panelled bathtub there, and then you do have the shower over. And then just on this side, you do have the hand basin and the heated towel rail. For further information on the property, such as room sizes, please do see the details either on our website or on Rightmove. If you are interested in arranging a viewing for the property, please do call our office, and we will look forward to seeing you soon.